It's weird, like despite all the money I just poured into these 5 vintage, all natural, non-GMO spoilers, I didn't notice much of a performance gain.
These are vintage?
Look at them.
Is that
Non-GMO.
Is that why you paid 3 times as much?
It is. Did I say organic?
No.
You know, it's like not so many people have organic spoilers anymore. This one, another tent platform, this one out of Pallets instead.
We milled up all these boards.
We did. Took a lot of time to get them real thin like that, perfectly straight. And then to make all the nails from iron ore on the property.
That was a lot of digging.
It was a bit of digging. I mean, you know, if you're buff and young and good looking, it's not really that big a deal. But we hauled all these pallets out here thinking we were going to put a floor in the lean-to, and then decided we liked mud. And we just fill the mud in with sawdust and it's fine in there, so we got a couple stacks of these and this will be another deck.
Put my tent on it.
Tent on it. Tent on it.
My femur.
What about your finger?
You want me to pull this back?
No, actually, you know what? Leave this here. Just rotate the earth the other direction a little bit.
Wait, I'm just...
Rotate the earth this way. And leave these right here.
This way?
Go ahead. No, no. Excuse me. Alright. Now we need some outside pieces.
Some skirting.
I don't wear skirts no more.
Heck, I do.
Heck, I know. There's a chalk line.
Well, it's over there, I bet.
Why, hell. Becky? Watch your toes. Should we just snap the line and see if I can get it pretty straight?
Sure.
I can't?
Yeah.
Two by fours. That's what you always yell after you cut a piece of wood. 2x4s. It's old logging tradition.
I'm stuck.
Clap my ears. Why are they doing that? The whole purpose of these, that they don't skip like that.
Hey, it's human error.
No, it's like the end of the thing.
No, it's human
hey,
error.
You listen here. These are the screws for the job, I tell you what.
Tell me whence.
I'll tell you whence. Yeah, see, they put too much paint in the mix. It's not human error.
Too much mustard.
There's too much mustard in my screw. You gotta, like, get all that mustard out of there.
Yeah.
I don't like mustard. I don't like it on my hot dogs, and I don't like it in my screw tips.
Hot dogs sound good.
Yeah.
I'm sure the folks at home will agree that a hot dog sounds mighty good right now.
Whoa. Is that how it came out without cutting the ends? Oh, I didn't cut that 1 inch too long, did we?
No.
That's funny. Okay. Jesus. And that's how we spend our days. I put 1 in every board.
No, you didn't. You didn't put 1 here.
Well, you're in the way. Gosh! You make my life miserable every time I'm using the mustard screws. They really do look like mustard. This screw right here, I can't get, oh, there it is. has a mustard plug in the end.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Hope it wasn't the sharp end, or there'd be a spurt of grease.
Why would you do that?
One cookie, two cookie.
I got a cannonball wound.
Ah! My finger.
So somehow we got a measure.
Measure. Let's measure it with a bubble. Let's put one of them there. That there.
Measure.
Measure it, Cletus. Measure it.
This isn't lined up with the forest.
Up. Way too much. Down. Yep. So that's about. Where's my thing? My measuring stick. Oh boy. That is 7 inches. So let's just get us a 7-inch cookie. That's 14 and a half. 9. Whoa! Right there. I wasn't recording the whole time.
GoPro, you okay?
Appears we accidentally made it perfectly flat. Pretty good for 6 pallets and a couple idiots.
There's even room for raccoons to live under there.
That's right. You can have your raccoon family. Just gotta put a couple more, maybe under the sides here, a couple rounds. And he's already stripped off, what, a bunch of pallets, so extra pallet wood to fill in the gaps, and that is it. That is what you call a pallet palace.
So I got this contraption here. It's called a pallet ripper to take the boards off the pallets, which is more frustrating than you think. You think, oh, I'm just gonna build it out of pallets, like I thought, and try getting those boards off in one piece. It's about a 20% return on your effort. It's black because it's tactical. It's a tactical pallet ripper. If you want to learn more about tactical pallet ripping, you go to tacticalpalletripping.schlarb/hyphen #whatever. Had a friend stop by to marvel.
Oh, hello. Is this your house?
It's gonna be my house.
Your house?
But have to put supports in here for all my tap dancing.
That's right.
But word was getting around town about how cool this was, so he's not the first person to come by and check this out. There was a whole line.
Ooh, do you remember any of their names? Are there any that start with Z's or like X's? Let me just throw out some...
Zebra, xylophone, they were here.
Let me throw out some letters or sounds and see if it rings a bell.
Okay.
Nothing?
Nothing.
How about Znoo?
Yeah, yep, they were here.
Who was it?
You already said it.
Oh, Znootaphone?
Zoots.
John and Becky's Znootaphone?
No, it was their first name.
Oh, both of them?
I've almost...
Was it an old couple
Yeah.
with two? They're
Anyway,
both...
let's change the subject.
Okay.
I've almost fallen through here a couple times, so I
Yeah.
need to get some these slats in here. Oh, hello. You've just caught me putting in the last few nails of the last few boards here on my deck. Join me. Got my beautiful deck done. Now it's moving day. There. I have an idea that I want to put a rain fly in a bug tarp or a bug net so I can sit and enjoy myself out here. So Ryan's sleeping and because he got up early and went and did his laundry, and he sent me a picture of him eating at a restaurant a nice big juicy breakfast. None too nice. So I'm stripping these poles for that A-frame I was talking about over my deck. Stripping poles. Stripping poles. Well, here she is in all her glory. Might put a bug net up to take naps on, but the bugs aren't too bad when you got a little fogger thing. So, this is it. Hope you like it. Here's another angle in case you didn't catch how cool it was from the other angle. And here's another one.